Hello folks, this is Peter Maris of the Resource Financial Group. Welcome to our first video for calendar year 2024. 2023 ended up on a high note and wound up being a very good year for our investment portfolios. We made money in 2023. With 2023 behind us, the next thing on most of our agendas is preparing to file our income taxes. So this month's video is, you guessed it, preparing to file your 2023 income taxes. First and foremost, I want to remind you that we are in tax year 2024, and we will be strategizing ways to reduce the taxes you pay in 2024. Though we will be preparing to file your 2023 tax returns, we all know that 2023 is behind us, and there's not much we can do to affect your tax bill for 2023. When you meet with your CPA in the next few weeks, it'll be too late to do much of anything other than simply pay your tax bill for the 2023 tax year. Once the calendar turns to the new year, your options are minimal. Taxpayers who do not have formal yearly income tax planning performed for them run the risk of not only paying too much in income taxes, but also missing out on opportunities as well. As clients of our firm, you can rest assured that we have done everything possible to minimize how much you are paying in income taxes and have taken advantage of your options regarding maximizing your future opportunities. A recent financial services industry study performed found that only 6% of firms like ours perform any type of meaningful income tax planning for their clients. Yes, 6%. Surprising? We felt shocked by those numbers as well. So, first of all, please make sure that you have paid sufficient income taxes to both the federal and state government to avoid an under-withholding penalty. The federal and state governments have specific criteria that you must follow to avoid being assessed a penalty for not paying enough money to the government before you file your income tax return. Please keep in mind that if you file an extension, which allows you to file your income tax return after the April 15th, 2024 deadline, you are not allowed an extension on paying income taxes. If you're not paying the appropriate income taxes due with your extension, you will be assessed a penalty and interest by the IRS and potentially by the state as well. So if you do file an extension, check with your CPA to make sure you're out of harm's way. So getting ready for the 2023 tax filing, where do we start? Well, much like I recommended last year, I want you to start by getting a large envelope, like this one, and labeling it 2023 income tax documents. As you're receiving income tax documents from various sources via U.S. mail, I want you to put them all in the envelope. You'll be looking for things like documents from the government if you're receiving Social Security, or your employer if you're still working. Simple, right? Well, one of the most common issues around tax time is missing information, so make sure you have all of your documents in order. Secondly, if you have online savings accounts with companies like American Express, you may not receive a 1099 via U.S. mail from them at all. Now, that doesn't mean you don't have to pay tax. It means that you have to download the 1099 form from their website and place it in your envelope. When preparing to meet with your CPA, reach for your income tax envelope. You have all the important documents and information you will need. Please keep in mind that any major life changes, such as the death of a spouse or the selling of a large asset, like your home, may have an impact on the amount of tax you will owe, so make sure to inform your CPA. Like most tasks, if you have a system in place, you'll become more effective and efficient. Preparing to file your income tax is one of those tasks. So please, do your preparation work before you see your CPA. And if you come across any questions or challenges, you can always contact us. We're here for you. Well, folks, that's all for this month's video. Please remember that nothing in this video is a personal recommendation. If you're anxious about your income tax situation or simply have a question, please call Amanda at the office and let's schedule some time to talk. As you know, we're here for you. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you back here next month. Thank you.